OpenAI is about to declare that chat is dead and replace it with something far more powerful. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Tuesday, June 9th, 2026. In AI news today, OpenAI is reportedly weeks away from its biggest ChatGPT overhaul ever. The plan? Ditch the chatbot model entirely and rebuild around coding agents and a unified super app experience. It's a direct attack on Anthropic's lead in developer tools, and the internal signal is blunt. Chat is dead. OpenAI wants to own what comes next. Also in AI news, Arena AI just launched Agent Mode, a live leaderboard that ranks AI models on genuinely autonomous tasks. We're talking deep research, report generation, image creation, real-world stuff, not toy benchmarks. This gives developers and businesses an honest read on which agents actually perform when the guardrails come off. It's the accountability layer agentic AI has been missing. Also from OpenAI, ChatGPT just got a new lockdown mode, and enterprise teams should pay attention. It's designed specifically to stop prompt injection attacks, where malicious inputs trick the model into leaking sensitive data. OpenAI calls it a last line of defense. It won't make ChatGPT bulletproof, but it significantly raises the bar for attackers targeting confidential workflows. Also from OpenAI, the new SchemaFlow cookbook drops a practical multi-agent blueprint for automating skill schema changes. Using the OpenAI Agents SDK, it chains specialized agents, parse, validate, execute, with deterministic guardrails at every step. If you've ever watched a database migration go sideways because of a missed handoff, this is exactly the kind of real-world engineering guide the developer community needed. In tech news, Y Combinator just launched Paxel, a free tool that reads your Claude codecs and cursor sessions to show you exactly how you build with AI. It surfaces behavioral patterns and assigns you a coding archetype. Think of it as a Spotify Wrapped for your AI development habits. If you're curious whether you're actually using these tools efficiently, this is your answer. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about ChatGPT super app implications for developers in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.